Check out this Gewokliy USB-C hub with SSD enclosure. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is something that I received from the maker of the product, and we're going to do an unboxing of it to see what is inside. Now if we take out the box, we can then find the product right on top of the box within this plastic container. So here is the product, and it's very lightweight. There's not much to it, and it's just a very lightweight but powerful product. There are 9 ports in this one product, and there is a way to actually pop open the top of this, and there you go. It is a magnet that is able to be popped up and open, and we can see within the product there is a place to put an SSD card within this M.2 slot. So if we wanted to actually connect this to a computer or a laptop, we'll take this out and then we can connect it to the host port here. And once the SSD card is within this, we can place this back on and then use it like so. Just plug this into your laptop or computer. Now there are several other ports within this 9-in-1 USB hub. So let's actually go through those and see what we have. Now there are several USB ports on this. There is a USB 2.0 on the edge here, and if we go to the side, we have a USB 3 and a USB 2.0 connector there as well. Now this is an SD card reader, and over here we have a micro SD reader as well. Now this is a USB-C port for any USB-C connections that you want to include. So we have USB 2.0, USB 3.1, and a USB-C connector on the same USB hub, along with a USB 2.0 connection over here. Now, if we look at this side, there is an HDMI connector to this side of the hub, and that can plug into like a monitor or something if you wanted to connect your computer that way. And then over here we have another USB-C port also. So if we look in the box some more, there is this little container, and it makes it very portable. If you wanted to take this along with you, you just drop this in like that, and tie it up, and there you go. You have this ready to go. So we also have this, which if you have a smaller SD card that you're going to include within the USB-C hub, you can then place this on top just to make it secure. And then there is also a quick start guide, which is very brief, and it just tells you all the different options within this USB-C hub. You have all types, 22 by 30 millimeter, all the way up to 22 by 80 millimeter. These are all 4 different types of SD cards that you can include within this USB-C hub. Now again, this is just the really nice style. It's very sleek. To take this off is very easy to do, and it's just perfect for if you ever need something to help with more connectors to your laptop, or just to connect to any monitor whatsoever. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.